I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today, cattle was easier. It seemed that beef prices were expected to slide somewhat over the next few weeks, and that's kind of happening right now. However, there has been an increase in the long positions by some commercial traders, and so that could definitely counter the market, and that's why it's keeping it relatively buoyant. However, there was a big sell-off in the stock market today towards the end of the day, and that really put a bearish sentiment across all markets, and we saw it on a little bit of the pressure on the live cattle market, as well as the feeders. The feeders were really steady today. It seems that the traders are watching that increased supply, and we thought that it was holding up, even though it was holding just a little bit under unchanged from Friday. But with that stock market sell-off, there has been some pressure. Although the large placement activity from the slower movement in the pipeline, that could definitely weigh on prices as well, certainly for the feeders. So we're going to watch that closely. Hogs were mixed today, and thank goodness, because they're consolidating a little bit and hanging on to Friday's rebound. It really offered some relief for some of the traders because the market looked like it was just in not a complete tailspin, but it was just trending lower and lower. And so I think that some of the non-commercial buying coming up is definitely offering a little bit of support for the pork market, but we need definitely an increase in some export sales would definitely help. The U.S. dollar index being so strong makes it difficult for us to be competitive with the gyrations of the stock market. Has everything kind of like in flux. If things start to settle down and we see the easing of that U.S. dollar index, we can definitely see an uptick in both the live cattle and in the hog market. So we're hoping for that in the future, but certainly there's a lot of volatility on the horizon. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.